Hi guys, in this video I will cover the main steps to install Instagram as a desktop app on your Mac. So watch this video till the end. Method 1. Install from Mac App Store. First, open the Mac App Store. Click on the Apple menu and select App Store or use Spotlight Search to find the App Store. Next, search for Instagram. In the search bar at the top right corner of the App Store window, type Instagram and press Enter. Then select Instagram. From the search results, click on the Instagram icon to go to its page. Click the Get button next to the Instagram icon. After that, click the Install button to begin the download and installation process. Wait for the installation. The App Store will download and install Instagram. You can see the progress on the screen. Finally, launch Instagram. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch the Instagram app. Method 2. Install using Instagram Web. First, open a web browser on your Mac such as Safari, Chrome, or Firefox. Go to the Instagram website. Type link unavailable in the address bar and press Enter. In the top right corner of the Instagram web page, click on the 3 horizontal lines. From the drop-down menu, select Install Instagram. Finally, click Open Instagram to open the app in a separate window. Method 3. Install using third-party apps, which is optional. First, search for third-party apps like Flume or Uplet that offer Instagram experiences on desktop. Next, download and install the third-party app from a trusted source. Finally, launch the app and log in with your Instagram credentials. Tips and precautions. Make sure to download apps from trusted sources like the Mac App Store or official websites. Be cautious when using third-party apps, as they may not be officially affiliated with Instagram and may pose security risks. The Instagram desktop app offers limited features compared to the mobile app. For a more comprehensive experience, consider using the Instagram web version or accessing Instagram through a mobile device. So, like, share, and also subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.